What's up, guys? Today on the channel we have some new lights. We're going to be upgrading our the high beams on the 460, the 15. Unfortunately, the high beams are incandescent bulbs, so they're terrible, or halogen. So, well, sorry, got my northern Michigan accent, but anyways, Suncent Auto sent me a pair of their LED lights to swap in there. Here are the specs. Type X2, H8, H9, H11, H16. So I'm looking forward to it. Super nice build quality. I've ordered a ton of lights from China and other places, and so yeah, you can see. Here, let's get the light on. Nice high quality diode each side. It's a fairly big diode too. Nice fan. This box, those connections look really good. I like that. And then, of course, it's using the correct connector to adapt to our Toyota harness. So that's going to work perfect. Looks like they also included some zip ties, some double-sided tape, it looks like. Ooh, and we're getting the white glove treatment, boys and girls. Those are not fitting my hands. But Lynn might appreciate these, so that we'll keep these. But yeah, the key thing, you do not want to touch that diode. If you get any fingerprints on it, it's gonna mess it up. So be careful. Don't just kind of meanderly grab stuff and throw it around. We're gonna throw these in the GX. I'm gonna throw in one side, and I'm gonna let you know how to do it. And we're gonna have some bright lights. So stick around. Before we get started, I just want to show you. So these are LED. They look great. But your brights, these gross incandescent bulbs, which is actually good for if it's because it actually warms up the housing. So if you have ice all over your headlights, they can melt them. But your light output is junk. It's still like daytime, so not as good of a comparison. But the light output is terrible, and that's why I got the light bar. But we're selling the tent, so no more light bar. Upgrade those lights. Maybe put some pod lights there, put some lights there, drill some lights into the hood. But back to the video. We're gonna swap those out. Okay, we got the first bulb out. It's a very nice incandescent bulb, but we can compare. So we got the same seal, about the same depth. Yeah, that's gonna be great. So the way you do this, so the first thing you do, pop this off. It's got directions on which open. So you like push it this way for open, and then down there you're gonna twist the bulb. Comes out kind of like every other one, but there's a little hole, and you don't want to lose your plug down there. You can see it's just hanging out. But let me get this harness plugged up and show you guys how to do it. So this is a good side by side. So there's the new LED. You can just see in the video how much it shoots out, overexposes the photo on that. Significantly better. This is a good upgrade. Okay, so the hard part is, so you get your diode in there. Ooh. And then you're gonna need to fit your box in there, because you still need to put your cap on, which is good because it creates like a seal, because you got a seal in your main beam, you just seal it for your housing. So you get that on. You can see it goes lock that way, so you shove it on there, and the video sucks because it's hard to get to, but I'll show you how when it's all packed up, and then we'll get over to the other side. This side's way easier. So same thing as that, but when you pull this out, this connector has a little hinge right there, so that's the only one you need to manipulate. It's hard with only one hand. So that hinge hooks right on that tab. So you can see there's your connector. And the new connectors are exactly the same. It's always good to check. And definitely save these. So, because I mean, any light can go bad. You don't want to be without them, and they're perfectly good. So keep them around. Also, other vehicles can use them. Pretty standard size. Let's see if I can get the shot of me plugging everything back in. Not get your tires too woozy. Oh, let me restart it. Okay, got our connector connected. So what we're gonna do is go in through here, but and get it lined up about where we think, and then we can see on this end. Oh, there we go. Oh, we're in there. Oh, got my finger tangled up in there. Oh. Make sure you do your finger stretches, boys, before you get in. Okay. Okay, now gonna line up the little tabs, and then we're gonna go clockwise. What you can actually see is that the feet are different sizes, so it fits better one way. Oh, there you go. So you can see it fits better that way. Screwed on. Perfect. Now we're just gonna shove the housing in there. I'm not sure if they thought about it, but that fits perfect in there. So, your thing, got a nice O-ring on there, which is great, because I mean, you can see how dirty my engine bay is, and look how clean it is in there. So, get this back on. Lock. We are done. I'll give you a... If you're going to do this upgrade, you don't need to be handy at all. It's like no tools required. But we're gonna... But yeah, we can see. Those are way better, and their color is exactly the same. So, huge improvement. You guys enjoyed this video. You got to get yourself a pair. I've been rocking the halogens way too long. They're junk. These are better in every way. On their website, I think they're like $65, but they change. That's just reasonable. That's even, their shipping is quick. They sent me these for, what is it, for a review, of course, just to let you everybody know. But honestly, with this price, I would buy some just tomorrow. I do have an 11% discount code, so affiliate link discount code in description, of course. If you feel free to use it. I don't really care if it sells any. I don't know, but it's a good deal, and you should put them in your rig. And I will, of course, let you guys know if they're junk. I'm gonna let you know, because you know I'm an honest guy. So if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, comment, tell me if you like these at all. If you don't like any of these China LEDs, let me know. But I think they're good stuff, and you should buy them because they're cheaper than the other stuff, and they're way brighter, and they're cooler. So see you guys next week. We're going to get more videos up. Appreciate you guys watching. Bye.